J.D. Vance, you know better. You are a Yale Law School graduate, and you know that federal officials do not have absolute immunity when they commit crimes. And this has been the law of the land. And I know better. Why? Because my clients participated in a sting operation against an asylum officer, a federal official working in the course and scope of his employment as found by the Ninth Circuit, and he was criminally prosecuted. And both of my clients testified when he used abusive tactics in their asylum interviews and tried to get bribes, essentially, or sex in return for approving asylum applications. He was found guilty in a court of law, sentenced to jail, and hung himself in jail 1 month after being incarcerated. It's on the books, and anyone could look that up. It's Zhui Liu versus United States of America. And this is only one case in which federal law enforcement, whilst in the course and scope of their employment, have been criminally prosecuted. They do not enjoy absolute immunity. Now, there is the doctrine of qualified immunity, but that only applies when there's not clearly established law. It has been clearly established law that law enforcement cannot shoot into a moving vehicle unless that vehicle is being weaponized against them. They are trying to drive directly at the officer, which clearly Miss Good was not trying to do. He was able to step aside. Stop lying to us. Stop gaslighting the American public by acting as if these individuals are above the law. And then what message are you sending to these masked goons in the street that they can act with impunity to hurt and kill American citizens and people residing in the United States of America, citizens or not, and that there not be any consequences? How dangerous is that for the vice president to take that position, that lawlessness in our streets can be condoned and these people are above the law? Yes, somehow the United States Supreme Court said that a president, the president of the United States, if he's acting within his official duties, can commit criminal acts and not be prosecuted. That decision is causing a lot of problems as we speak. But it hasn't filtered down to the rank and file. It hasn't filtered down to the vice president either, J.D. Vance, or the director of Homeland Security, Kristi Noem. Stop breaking the law. You will not be in power forever. Prosecutions will occur, and that officer who shot Renee Nicole Good will be prosecuted for murder.